Hey there, welcome to 800 SAT Math. In this video, I will walk you through a quick tip about a geometry question, specifically solids. But before we start, hit the subscribe button to watch more tips to push your SAT Math score forward. First, in order to approach this question, you need to apply both formulas of volumes of the cube and the sphere. And in the case of this question, the sphere is inscribed in the cube. In this case, the diameter of the sphere is equal to the side of the cube. This means that twice the radius is equal to the side of the cube, meaning that if we divide the side by 2, the radius is 34. And to get the volume of the space in the cube not taken by the sphere, you need to subtract the volume of the sphere from the volume of the cube, apply the values given in the question. The answer will be A. Drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy studying.